In this video, you'll learn how to connect Stripe with Webflow. You will have set up a seamless integration between these two platforms, allowing you to manage transactions efficiently. Begin by navigating to the Zapier website in your web browser. Once the page loads, you may need to sign into your account if prompted. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one to proceed. After signing in, locate the dashboard where you can create new integrations. Next, look for a button or link labeled Create on the dashboard. Clicking this will direct you to a new page where you can initiate the process of creating a new Zap. This is essential for connecting Stripe with Webflow. After that, find the option labeled Zaps in the navigation menu. Selecting this will bring you to a section where you can view and manage existing Zaps or create a new one. Ensure that you are on the correct screen before proceeding. Once this appears, type Stripe to Webflow into the search bar provided. This will help you find the specific integration you want to set up. After entering the keywords, you will see relevant options populate below the search bar. Now, click on Start Building to begin the setup process. This will take you to the Zap editor where you can configure the details of your integration. Make sure you're on the right page. In the Zap editor, click on Stripe to select it as your trigger app. This step is crucial as it defines what event in Stripe will initiate the workflow. Confirm that you have selected the correct application before continuing. Next, you will need to click on Trigger Event. This option allows you to specify the event that will trigger your Zap. Make sure to choose an event that suits your needs, such as a new charge or a payment received. After that, select New Charge from the list of trigger events. This selection ensures that the Zap will activate whenever a new charge is processed in your Stripe account. Confirm your choice before moving on. Next, click on Account to link your Stripe account with Zapier. You will be prompted to log into your Stripe account if you're not already connected. Ensure your Stripe account credentials are available for this step. Once connected, click on Connect Stripe. This action will establish the connection between your Stripe account and Zapier, allowing data to flow between the two platforms. Wait for the confirmation message to ensure the connection is successful. Now select Webflow as your action app. This choice indicates that the subsequent actions will occur in Webflow based on the triggers from Stripe. Verify that you have selected the right application. Click on Action Event to specify what you want to happen in Webflow when the trigger occurs in Stripe. This step is vital for defining the workflow's outcome. Choose Create Item from the action events available. This option will enable you to create a new item in Webflow whenever a new charge is detected in Stripe. Confirm your selection to proceed. Next, click on Account to connect your Webflow account with Zapier. As with the Stripe connection, you will need to log in to your Webflow account, so have your credentials ready. Once logged in, click on Connect Webflow. This action will link your Webflow account to the Zap, allowing it to receive data from Stripe. Wait for the confirmation message to ensure the connection is established correctly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.